Hi. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. How is everybody? Welcome to Bayt Bushra. I'm Bushra and this is my home. Let me just get situated here. I have my coffee. Let's try it. My favorite sweeteners for coffee is either coconut sugar or maple syrup. And I have my ma'moul. It's not in focus. There it is. This one is filled with walnuts. Let's try it. Welcome to Bayt Bushra. I'm Bushra and this is my home. Today I wanted to give you guys a channel update. And I want to start off by saying thank you to everybody who has joined me since the very beginning. Thank you for sticking around all of these years. I've been on YouTube for a long time. I think my first video was in 2016 and I've been on and off on YouTube for a long time. My lovely followers here, subscribers, have been asking about my return, and then I posted a couple videos and then I come off and I come like on and off again basically. And I hope inshallah this is the beginning of a consistent grand opening of my YouTube channel. So I wanted to thank you for supporting me through all of those times. I cannot speak today. Secondly, I want to talk about the channel name, which will stay the same, Bayt Bushra. And Bayt means home. And so I want to move this channel into a direction where it's not just recipe-based, not just food-based, and it will encompass more things, lifestyle and home. Any topic or subject or video that you'd like to see from me, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll think about it and see if it kind of aligns with what we're trying to do. Then of course I'd love to share that with you. Don't worry, the recipes are still going to be here. I have so many recipes and things planned inshallah, and I have finally managed to get on TikTok. I don't like it because I don't understand it yet, but I'm trying to branch out there, and so if you'd like, you can follow me on TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok because you don't have one for whatever reason, then definitely I'll still post the same videos on Instagram, and I would love if you can follow me on Instagram as well. All of the links are in the description box below. Everything is at Bayt Bushra. I think a lot of people on YouTube share too much of their life, and certain things need to stay private. I like to have like a separate, but I definitely would love to share lifestyle videos. Not so much vlogs. I'm not really into that right now, unless it's like a travel thing. I don't know. I just think my life is pretty, just like your life, I'm sure. Wake up, you eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner, you go to sleep, you repeat. So here's the burning question. Where have I been? I've just been busy with life, and life is busy, constant, never ending. I was so busy with work. I was so busy with just regular life things. And I had a baby and raising the baby and taking care of that. So many things in my personal life that were taking my time, that I still always had YouTube in the back of my head and always was wondering, like, when inshallah can I come back to this? When can I make a consistent routine for this? So I hope inshallah this is it. And I think everything in terms of timing works out. I know that the Middle Eastern food stuff has been like all over the internet recently, and I can't help but think that I was there from the very beginning, but I just wasn't consistent. And subhanallah, life takes you and there's a timing for everything, and so I hope this is now the best time where I can commit to having consistent videos. Side note, if you like my hijab, it's from Hot Hijab. I love this print. I'm not really somebody that goes into prints a lot, but I really like this print. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. Oh, just open the description box. There's a bunch of fun stuff there. So I think that's it. Let me think. I think that's it. I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around for so long. I'd love to do a chatting style video, like a coffee chat with me video where you guys can send in your questions, or we can do like different tags, or we can do some favorite items, in addition to, of course, the recipes and the desserts and all of that. So if that sounds like a good idea to you and you're new here, please consider subscribing. Maji Maguro. Lastly, I'd like to say thanks again. Honestly, without you guys sticking around here and just asking about me and checking on me and all of that, this channel doesn't exist. Basically, I just wanted to say thank you guys for staying with me and for encouraging me to come back to YouTube time and time again, for checking on me. I've been fine. I've just been busy, and inshallah, things will become more consistent from here on out. Before you leave, I'd like to ask if you have any suggestions or ideas for my next videos in the upcoming future. Leave them in the description box below. Whatever you think works in the realm of Bayt Bushra lifestyle, recipe, food type stuff, leave them in the description box below, and I will see you next time, inshallah.